Good to have you with us. We start with the Biden administration restricting travel from 8 countries because of the threat of a new COVID variant, a step recommended by the White House COVID response team. Many other countries are doing the same to try and contain the spread. The World Health Organization is now calling this a variant of concern. They've given it a name, Omicron. On top of that, the U.S. stock market is going into free fall over fears of a pandemic setback. The Dow dropped more than 900 points today, its biggest one-day point drop of the year. NBC News correspondent Josh Letterman is in Nantucket, Massachusetts, where President Biden is spending this holiday weekend. So, Josh, first, what is the White House and the COVID response team saying about this new variant?
Well, the White House had been watching very closely that WHO meeting, Joe. After the WHO formally designated this as a variant of the concern, the White House taking the official step to put in place this new travel restriction. It's going to be effective starting on Monday that will cover not only South Africa, but 7 other countries in the region: Botswana, Zimbabwe, Namibia, Lesotho, Eswatini, Mozambique and Malawi. President Biden issuing a statement from here in Nantucket, where he is currently vacationing with his family, saying the news about this new variant should make clearer than ever why this pandemic will not end until we have global vaccinations. Biden going on to say that the U.S. has already donated more vaccines to other countries than every other country combined, and now it's time for other countries to match America's speed and generosity. Now, it's important for us to note American citizens are not going to be affected by this, meaning if you're in one of those countries I just named and you've got a ticket to come back to the United States, you will still be able to come to the U.S., but you still are going to be subjected to a COVID test, which is a restriction in place across the board now for travelers to the United States. The White House saying today that they are in close touch with authorities in South Africa, trying to monitor this variant, trying to learn what they can about its dangers as they try to figure out what the public response should be.
So, Josh, many European countries had jumped in early to ban travel from South Africa. President Biden didn't do so until today, this afternoon. What was the tipping point for him?
The tipping point really was this designation by the WHO today that this is now a variant of concern, giving it a formal name, as well as the growing body of evidence that suggests that there are not one, but multiple variations on this new strain that could be concerning. They still don't know exactly how that is going to affect the transmissibility, the immune response, as well as how much of a health danger it poses to people. But the president received advice from his chief medical advisor, Dr. Anthony Fauci, as well as from the CDC, that it was time to take this step, according to senior administration officials. And today, he took that step.
All right, Josh, thanks so much. Appreciate your reporting.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.